Okay, I wanted to record this. We're going towards our house. We're about half a mile from our house, from where we are right now. We already went to East Purdy and everything, but this...
I think it's a half a mile.
Yeah, it may not even be half a mile to our house. But here's that one barn I videotaped earlier, and there's that windmill. See how it's sideways? But there's no barn no more.
I don't know where the complete barn's gone. I mean, I don't know where it went. There's only a few pieces of stuff left. It's a good sized little barn right there. Ripped down.
Got that sign and stuff there. Tore it down.
I bet you that's where the building's at.
But
little calf laying there in the grass. This is wild.
But I turned this on because I wanted to show you this.
Look at all the
trailers that's over here. Like I said, this is half a mile from where I live. All that got demolished. That right there. Here's this tree that they cut out of the road. But on the back side of this, it looks really bad. You can't really see it from here, but the whole houses are down that hill because there's a hill right here. Can't see down that hill though. And then half a mile this way is where we live, and it didn't really hit us, thank goodness, by the grace of God. But the tornado that hit back in January hit on the other side of our house. So we're like right in the middle of these two storms, and we heard that it's supposed to storm again here in like 2 or 3 days. But anyways, that's my video.